I never thought that an investigative drama can be presented in such a chill fashion until I watched Dominic and the Ladies' Purse. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about the latest Malayalam theatrical release, Dominic and the Ladies' Purse, directed by the ever-talented Gautam Vasudev Menon and starring the legendary Mammootty. Now, the movie revolves around the titular character Dominic, who is a voluntary retired police officer turned private detective. And as you guys have watched in the trailer, he lands a very peculiar case of a lady's purse that gets left behind at the hospital. What seems like a simple lost and found situation quickly unravels into something much deeper, pulling Dominic into a web of intrigue, secrets, and suspense. And that's it. That's all I will talk about the plot, because obviously, this being an investigative drama, it's always better for you guys to go on blind and see the story unfold on screen. Now, before I talk about anything else, I want to first talk about Mamuka. Honestly, can this man do anything wrong? His portrayal of Dominic is just so dynamic and so comfortable and just so freaking layered. He balances all the nuances of being witty, having charisma, along with having a very sharp investigative mind with absolute ease. What I loved most about his performance, and this should not come as a surprise at all, is how natural it felt. There is this effortless charm about him, whether he's delivering a clever line, piecing together clues, or just being his quirky, resourceful self. He completely owns the role, and you can tell that he's having fun with it. Also, a big shout out to Gokul Suresh, who plays Vicky, his assistant. I was very much looking forward to see how this dynamic would work, and boy oh boy, it was just so refreshing to watch on screen. Their whole interaction forms a huge entertaining part of the film. So if that chemistry hadn't worked, all of those dialogues and all of those scenes would have fallen flat. But thankfully that does not happen in this movie. And after watching the film, I thought to myself, you know what, nobody could have pulled off this role better than Mammootty sir, because there are so many scenes in the screenplay where you know that he is deducing something looking at the situation around him, because he says that to be a good investigative officer or to be a good detective, you need two things: observation and concentration. And to express those two things is not a very easy job. Like, you can be very obvious when you want to portray that, oh, you are concentrating on something or you're observing something. Like, it comes off as very obvious if you're trying too much to act like that. But with Mamuka, he works with micro expressions. Like, you would think that he's having a poker face, but actually he's observing. He kind of reminded me of Benedict Cumberbatch's Sherlock, to be very honest. And there's a very sweet kind of shout out given to Sherlock where he addresses his assistant as the local Watson. I thought that was really nice. Okay, now let's get into the storytelling. If you are expecting a straightforward mystery, think again. Because what I loved about Dominic and the Ladies' Purse is how it challenges the typical genre conventions. That's why I said in the beginning that I never expected a mystery investigative drama to be presented in such a breezy, calm, and quirky way. Yes, it has its serious moments, but there's a lot of wit and warmth into it. It is a very well thought out and calculated move that how Gautam Menon wanted to present this story to us. The pacing is deliberate but never slow. The movie takes its time to build suspense and create an atmosphere that draws you in. Every clue, every revelation feels purposeful, and just when you think you've got it figured out, bam, another twist comes your way. The biggest takeaway for me was how the story blended humor and intrigue. There are moments where you will chuckle at Dominic's sharp observation and witty one-liners, and then in the very next scene you will be in the edge of your seat thinking, okay, what is going to happen next? And this is what I loved about the movie the most, is how it was able to balance this humor and wittiness with the seriousness. Visually also, the movie is stunning and the cinematography has been done really well. But can I just, take a moment and talk about the set design, especially Dominic's apartment? Whoever was the art director, please take a bow, because I fell in love with Dominic's apartment. It had its own character and it was so quirky. It had this really beautiful desk and a completely mismatched chair. Then the way his bedroom was, where all the curtains were actually saris, they were not curtains. The way the utensils were kept in his kitchen, the color of the wall, everything was so freaking well thought out. I loved whoever designed that apartment. It was phenomenally done. And as they say that you can know a person's personality by seeing the apartment or seeing the place that he or she lives in, you can really find Dominic's persona in that entire apartment. I think that was such a genius move. I also loved the background score a lot, even the songs for that matter. In fact, there's a song in the end, it comes into the climax, the way that song has been placed there, it's just so freaking amazing. So in a lot of aspects, when it comes to storytelling and direction and how it is supposed to be presented, I think Gautam Menon did a fabulous job as a director. Beyond the mystery and the investigation, Dominic and the Ladies' Purse has some deeper themes running through it. But if I talk about those themes, obviously it'll become a spoiler, so I will refrain from saying it. I think that was plugged in really well, and that makes it more than just a breezy and a witty investigative drama. It goes beyond than just solving a case. So yes, if you are a fan of a mystery thriller genre, this one is a no-brainer. I would say that please, if you have not watched it, do go, because you're gonna have a very, very fun time watching it. You're gonna just feel great after watching this movie. I think even if you're not into, thrillers or investigative drama kind of films, this would still be an entertaining watch, because there's a lot of humor, a lot of wit and charm attached to it. And come on, Mamuka's amazing performance and just being so effortlessly charming is a good enough reason to go and watch this movie. So personally for me, I completely enjoyed watching this film from start to finish, but I want to know your thoughts in the comments below. And yes, those were my thoughts on Dominic and the Ladies' Purse. And I'm gonna sign off from this video now, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye!